I am Dr. Rakesh, Department of Mathematics, Janki Devi Memorial College, University of Delhi, presenting a topic related to the matrices in mathematics. In these topics, we contain introduction of matrices, matrix operation, and some special matrices, system of equations, eigenvalue, and eigenvectors. Matrix definition of matrices. A matrix is a rectangle array of the element. The elements can be symbolically expressed or numbers. It can be written in this form. Row matrix. If a matrix A have a n number of entries is known as a row matrix. Like a I1, AI2 up to AIN. A column matrix is a matrix who have a m elements in a column. A, Ij, A, 2j, A, Mj, like this. If a matrix A have a m rows and n column, the size of this matrix is m cross n matrix. Some other notations are A, m, n, like this. Equality of two matrices. Two matrices A and B are said to be an equal matrix if they have a same order and the corresponding elements of both the matrices are same, like Aij equal to Bij for each I and j. Vector. Special type of matrices. Some special type of matrices. A vector is a matrix that has only one row or one column. Row vector is already defined in previous slide, and column vector is also defined. Some matrix. Remaining matrix after deleting some rows and column of a matrix A is called a submatrix of A. Square matrix. If a number of rows, if a matrix A is said to be an square matrix if it has the same number of rows as well as column. The diagonal entries of a square matrix is A11, A22 up to ANN. Transpose of a matrix. The transpose of M cross N matrix A is defined as a N cross M matrix B with the relation Bij equal to Aji for each I varies from 1 to M and J varies from 1 to N. And one theorem, a transpose of a matrix A is A. Addition of a matrix. Two matrices A and B are able to be addition if they have a same order. Multiplication, a scalar to a matrix A equal to Aij, Bn M cross N matrix. Then for an element K belongs to R, we defined K equal to K times Aij. Additive matrix, additive inverse. If A be an M cross N matrix, then there exists a matrix B with A plus B equal to 0. This matrix B is called a additive inverse of A, is denoted by minus A. Matrix multiplication. A equal to Aij Bne M cross N matrix and B equal to Bij Bne N cross N R matrix. The product of AB is matrix of Cij of order M cross N with Cij equal to summation I k equal to 1 to N Aik Bkj, and it can be written in this form AI1 B1J plus AI2 B2J up to A1N AIN BNJ. Definition: two square matrix A and B are said to be a commute if AB equal to BA. Symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. A square matrix A over R is called a symmetric matrix if A transpose equal to A and A square matrix A is said to be a skew symmetric matrix if A transpose equal to minus A. For any square matrix A S equal to 1 by 2 times A plus K, A transpose is a symmetric matrix, and T equal to 1 by 2 times A minus K, A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix, and A can be written as a S plus K T matrix form. Orthogonal matrix. A matrix A is said to be an orthogonal if A into A transpose equal to A transpose into A equal to identity. Nilpotent matrix. A equal to Aij be any n cross n matrix with 1 if I equal to j plus 1 and 0 for otherwise. Then A raised to power n equal to 0 and A raised to power L does not equal to 0 for 1 is less than L is less than equal to n minus 1. Then the matrix A for which positive k exists such that AK equal to 0 is called a nilpotent matrix, and the least positive integer k for such AK equal to 0 is called the order of nilpotency. Idempotent matrix. A matrix that satisfies the condition A raised to power 2 equal to A or called the idempotent matrices. Matrices over complex numbers. Here are the entries of the matrices of the complex numbers. All are the definition still holds. Conjugate transpose of a matrix. A matrix A be any m cross n matrices over a C, or the entries over a C set of complex number, is said to be a conjugate transpose of A if A equal to A equal it denoted by A star. Hermitian matrix. A square matrix A over C is called a Hermitian matrix if A star equal to A, where A star denotes the conjugate transpose of a matrix A. And skew Hermitian matrix A is said to be A star equal to minus A, where A star denotes the conjugate transpose of a matrix A. Unitary matrix. A square matrix A is said to be a unitary matrix if A star into A equal to A star, A into A star equal to identity. System of equations. Let us look at some examples of linear systems. Consider the equation ax plus k by equal to c. If one of the coefficient A or B is non-zero, then this linear equations represent a line in R2. Thus, for the system A1x plus k B1y equal to C1 and A2x plus k B2y equal to C2, the set of solutions is given by the point of intersections of two lines. There are three cases to be considered, illustrated as if these equations intersect once, then system has unique solution. If A1 B2 minus k A2 B1 equal to 0 with A1 C2 minus k A2 C1 equal to 0 and A1 B2 minus k A2 B1 equal to 0 with B1 C2 minus k B2 C1 equal to 0, then above system has infinitely number of solutions. In other words, one equation have a scalar multiple of others. If equation represent a pair of parallel lines, hence there is no point of intersections. Linear systems. A linear system of m equations and n unknowns x1, x2, xn is a set of equations of the form a11 x1 plus a12 x2 plus a1n xn equal to b1, a21 x1 plus के a22 x2 plus के a2n xn equal to b2, up to am1 x1 plus के am2 x2 up to amn xn equal to bn, where 1 is less than equal to I is less than equal to n and 1 is less than equal to j is less than equal to m, aij bi belongs to set of real numbers. Linear equation system 1 is called the homogeneous if b1 b2 up to bm all are 0 and non-homogeneous otherwise. We can rewrite the above equation in the form ax equal to b, where a is of the form of m cross n matrices and x is the column vector of n entries and m is a column vector of m entries. A matrix, the matrix A is called the coefficient matrix and the block matrix AB is called the augmented matrix of the linear system 1. Definition 3. Elementary operations. The following operations 1 to 3 are the elementary operation. Interchange of two equations, say interchange the ith and jth equations, multiply a non-zero constant throughout an equation, say multiple the kth equations by c does not equal to 0, replacing any equations by itself plus a constant multiple of another equation, says replacing the kth equations by kth equations plus c times the jth equations. Forwarding Gauss elimination method. Gauss elimination is a method for solving a linear system ax equal to b consisting of m equations in n unknowns by bringing the augmented matrix A, B, A11, A12, A1n, A21, 22, 2n, AM1, M2, Mn, B1, B2, Bm to an upper triangular matrix this. This elimination process is called the forward elimination method. Row reduced echelon form of a matrix. A matrix C is said to be an row reduced form if the first non-zero entry in each row of C is 1 and the column containing this 1 has all the other entries is 0. A matrix in the row reduced form is called the row reduction matrix. The elimination process applied to obtain the row reduced echelon form of the augmented matrix is called the Gauss-Jordan elimination. Rank of a matrix. A system is called the consistent if it admits the solutions and is called the inconsistent if it admits no solutions. Row rank of a matrix. The number of non-zero rows in a row reduced form of a matrix is called the row rank of a matrix. Ax equal to b, B a linear system with m equations and n unknowns. Then the row reduced echelon form of a matrix A agrees with the first n columns of A, B and hence row rank of A is less than equal to row rank of AB. The number of non-zero rows in a row reduced form of a matrix A is called the row rank of A, denoted by rank of A. Existence of a solution of Ax equal to B. Consider a linear system Ax equal to B where A is a m cross n matrix and x comma B are the vectors with order n cross 1 and m cross 1 respectively. Suppose rank of A equal to R and rank of augmented matrix AB equals to RA, then exact one of the following statements holds. If rank of A equal to rank of R is less than equal to n, then the set of solutions of the linear system is an infinitely many solutions and has the form u0 plus k k1 u1 plus k k2 u2 up to kn minus kr un minus kr, where ki belongs to set of real number and I varies from 1 to n minus r, where u0 u1 up to un minus kr are n cross 1 vectors satisfying a u0 equal to b, and rest of vectors satisfy a ui equal to 0 for I varies from 1 to n minus r. If rank of A equal to rank of, if RA equal to R equal to n, then the solution set of the linear system has a unique solution n cross 1 vector x naught satisfy A x naught equal to B. If R is less than equal to RA, then the linear system has no solution. Invertible matrices. Inverse of a matrix. If A be any square matrix of an order n, a square matrix B is said to be a left inverse of A if B into A equal to identity matrix. A square matrix C is called a right inverse of A if A C equal to identity matrix. A matrix A is said to be invertible if there exists a matrix B such that AB equal to BA equal to identity matrix of an order n. A and B be two matrices with A inverse and B inverse respectively. Then inverse of A inverse equals to A, and inverse of AB is equal to B inverse A inverse, and the inverse of A transpose equals to A inverse of transpose. Determinant. For any n cross n matrix A, V means a submatrix B of A, which is obtained by deleting the alphath row and betath column. Determinant of a square matrix. A be any square matrix of order n with capital A. We associate inductively on n a number called the determinant of A. Determinant of A is defined as small a if capital A equal to small a, n equals to 1. Here the order of a matrix small n equal to 1. If order of a matrix A is not 1, then determinant of A equals to summation j equal to 1 to n minus 1 raised to power 1 plus k j A 1j into my determinant of A 1j. Otherwise, if matrix A is said to be a singular, a matrix A is said to be a singular if determinant of A equal to 0. If determinant of a matrix A is non-zero, then we say matrix is non-singular. Eigenvalues and eigenvectors. If a matrix A is of the order n cross n matrix and X be any non-zero eigenvector of A, if Ax equal to lambda x, where lambda is a scalar and the scalar lambda is called the eigenvalue of A and x is called the eigenvector corresponding to the eigenvalue lambda. To find the eigenvalue of n cross n matrix A, we have Ax equal to lambda x and Ax minus k lambda x equal to 0. A minus k lambda I x equal to 0. Now for the above set of equations to have a non-zero solutions, determinant of A minus k lambda I equal to 0. This left hand side can be expressed to give a polynomial in lambda. Solving the above equation would give us value of eigenvalues. The above equation is called the characteristic equation of A. For matrix A, the characteristic polynomial of A is of degree n as follows. Determinant of A minus k lambda equal to 0 gives lambda raised to power n plus k c1 lambda raised to power n minus 1 up to so on cn equal to 0. If A is n cross n rectangle, if A is n cross n triangular matrix, upper triangular matrix, or a lower triangular matrix or a diagonal matrix, then the eigenvalues of such a matrix A is called the diagonal entries of a matrix A. If lambda equal to 0 is an eigenvalue of A, then such a matrix A is known as a singular matrix or a non-invertible matrix. And the other theorem is determinant of A is a product of eigenvalues, and some other results are also the sum of diagonal entries is known as a trace of a matrix. Thank you.